ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি হয়েছেন সীতারাম ইয়েচুরি, সরাসরি শুনে নেব কি বলছেন তিনি।
5 international dailies of repute newspapers have carried on the front page how effectively Kerala has been able to contain and minimize the loss of life in facing this pandemic. Now, if there is anything that can be emulated by the rest of the country, is if Kerala can do it, why can't we do it? Why can't the whole of India do it? Now, for that, you'll require data, you'll require a scientific basis on which we approach, and for that, the necessary preparations are required, which is not being done till date. But the major issue which I want to share with all of you and with the country and the people is that there seems to be another agenda at work. Fighting the COVID pandemic must be the central focus of all of us. On this there cannot be any compromise, or it's not negotiable. The single-minded focus of the country, the government and the people must be on fighting this pandemic and minimizing the loss of life. Any distraction from this is only to the detriment of both the country and the people. But that unfortunately seems to be what this government is pursuing. What are we seeing during this period of the lockdown? There is an over-centralization that is taking place. Decisions are taken here unilaterally, suddenly, abruptly, without preparation, and all the other agencies and the state governments are asked to act accordingly. Now, instead of taking everybody on board, this sort of unilateral functioning, this is an affront on the federal principles of our constitution. The state governments and the states have been denied even their legitimate dues. The huge amount of money that's being collected by the Prime Minister in a fund named after him, it's a private trust. How much has been collected, where is that money going, nobody knows, but we cannot give that money to the states who are on the front line of this battle against this pandemic. Now this has to be done, this sort of a centralization that is happening is being seen in changes in the laws. I mean, with impunity, labor laws have virtually been abolished in some states, particularly the BJP ruled states. The working hours for the workers has been increased from 8-hour day to a 12-hour day. There are large-scale retrenchments and job losses. There is large-scale pay cuts that is happening. But yet the same firms, the same corporates who are retrenching people, who are cutting their salaries, are amongst the biggest donors to this Prime Minister's private trust fund. So the workers are paying for this fund. Well, that apart, this labor laws that are being sought to be abolished, that is something that cannot be accepted, and it will be fought back